We're going to come around the loop. We're going to pick up Farm to Market 2087. Go out here, cross the loop. When we get to Interstate 20, we're going to take Farm to Market 2011, and that's going to take us down here around the airport. We're at Elderville, right about here. And then from there we're going to pick up 1716, which is just continuing down this road here across the end of Lake Cherokee. And once we get there, we're going to follow this road all the way around till we get over here to this main highway between Tatum and New Prospect. Then we're going to pick up Farm to Market 2658 right here, follow it all the way down to the end of Martin Creek Lake, and from there we're going to pick up Farm to Market 1251 and run it all the way over here to Fairplay. I'll make a sharp jog back this way on State Highway 79, and there we'll pick up Farm to Market 1798, which is going to run us down through Pine Hill and Bratchfield and Minden, and eventually all the way over here to Laneville. Now once we get to Laneville, we're going to turn south on Highway 225 and work our way all the way down to Cushing. Now once we get to Cushing, we're going to take Highway 204, and we're going to follow it through Secoul, over to Reclaw, and on all the way back up through Pine Hill, and eventually making our way up to Concord. Once we pass Concord, we're going to take Farm to Market 13. That's going to run us across over here where we're going to pick up Highway 42 at Price, and then just follow it right back into Kilgore, and from Kilgore all the way back into Longview. Now today's ride is going to be 149 miles. The forecast is for mid 60s, 65 to 68 degrees. Should be a nice ride. The humidity's low. So let's get started. Well, we're out here digging coal in the ground. Quite a bit of it here. Well, we decided to make a pit stop, or rest stop I should say, here. We're at a little church. Good place to stop, got a little bit of shade. Philippe says it's a good time to stretch, take a drink, relax a little. Nice little area here. We just passed the mining area where there's a whole lot of mining going on. We're at the Brooks Chapel Missionary Baptist Church. We're going to be heading on south. Well, we made another rest stop. Philippe says, good place to stop.
Good place.
Nice little church. Sign down here says exposure to the sun may prevent burning. Pretty good thought. More to come.
Yes, sir. Mr. Trail Boss, you laid us out a good ride today. It's a good spot to stop. Good time to enjoy the bright sun and see what's going on.
Great day to ride.
It's a great day to ride.
What's that old song say about it's a beautiful day?
Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day.
That's what we have today.
Yes, sir. Hot dog.
More to come.
All right, more to come.
Well, we met some feller bikers today. They're out on a poker run, having a little fun. Great day to ride. Temperature's nice out here today. Good place for a pit stop.